fucking scary. Tryna keep them cause I found them. Let a hoe know